What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. I'm your host, Phoenix the Fireboy, aka AP on the wrist. I wish, not yet, soon come. And this is another episode of nice bit of kit that. You already know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go around, come back in shot, and we're gonna get into it like we get into it. Yes. Alright gang, let's do this. Oh shit, I'm back. Oh god. Let me get it in, let me get it in, let me get it in. Damn, how smooth was that transition, guys? Very unsmooth. But let me fix myself up and get ready for the camera, you know what I mean? Guys, today we have this. Boom, boom, boom. Let me give you some stripes, let me give you some stripes. Let me give you a little toilage. Let me give you that. Boom, boom. Okay. Alright, guys, today we have this Stone Island. Supreme long sleeve tee. Alright, shall we get into it? Let's get into it. As you can see, this is the black and white striped one. For those of you who know, this is a very beautiful and popular piece. It came in red, it came in green, and it came in black. I think that's the three colors that it came in. I don't think there's a blue. I'm trying to think, but I think there's the three colors: red, black and green. Anyway, this is the black. Of course, you see the beautiful Stone of Island badge right there, and if I turn around, you can see the old Supreme badge right there. You see that? Supreme. So yeah, now I'm not one who's really into Supreme. I've got a couple of Supreme pieces, but I'm not Mr. Supreme, so I'm not fronting. But this is a piece that I've always wanted. You know, one of those legacy pieces that you think, I have to have that, I'm gonna get it one day, fling it in the collection. Well, here we are, guys. It's in the collection, and yeah, just a nice striped top, you know, aping the Marina tops that they do. I'm trying to find the black and white striped Marina, actually. That would be a dope addition to the collection. But yeah, as you can see, it's sort of following on from the Marina with the stripes. Got that nice black collar right there, super dope. Obviously, cuffs, nothing too crazy. Equilibrium's a beautiful thing. Comes right down to my wrist. I believe this is a large or a medium. I can't quite remember. But yeah, guys, really nice. Of course, like I said, it's very simple. You got the stripes, you got the badge, and then of course at the back you have that Supreme hit right there. Can you see that? Yes, you can. You got that Supreme hit right there, and like a kind of box logo-y kind of styling. Now I know you might see this piece and think, is it worth it? You know, they're a little bit pricey or whatever, but I think it's just such a dope classic piece. You know what I mean? It's not something you're going to wear every day, but when you wear it, you're going to feel like a G. You can wear it down like how I'm dressed, little stony tracky bottoms, some nice pair of creps, you know, a little baseball cap if you want, whatever your flex is, you flex it like you flex it. But yeah, really simple. You wear this in the summer, you wear it in the spring, super dope. And if you wear it in the winter, you know, fling a couple layers underneath, a couple layers on top, it's still workable. Yeah man, really dope piece. Not much more to say other than, yeah, I thought I'd show you this nice little Supreme joint I got here. And yeah, let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you think of this? Is it too plain to be worth the money, or do you find it that it's a classic piece? It looks like a classic piece, and in years to come it'll be even more classic. This is a 2017 piece, by the way, and it's already one of those classic joints, you know. But yeah, guys, you guys have been beautiful, you've been amazing. I've been your host, P Fire, aka P is for plump pillows. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, please let me know your thoughts and your comments down below, and as always, please like, share, and yeah, let me know what's the deal. How are you guys doing? What's cracking? What's new? Are you enjoying the sunshine? I'm about to go get some breakfast, lunch, brunch, whatever. And yeah, guys, yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Stay dope, stay fly. Peace.